What if I told you there's a hidden layer of defense against hackers within your company's own structure? Governance, risk, and compliance. GRC really does play a vital role in cybersecurity. Today we're going to talk about how GRC and cybersecurity work together in today's digital world. Let's break it down. GRC is a framework of practices that organizations use to manage, you guessed it, governance, risk, and compliance within their operations. This ensures that the organizations operate efficiently, identify and address any potential issues, and follow relevant regulations. On the other hand, hacking involves unauthorized access to computers, typically for malicious reasons. So how are they connected? Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, posing significant risks to organizations. Data breaches, financial loss, and reputational damages are just some of the consequences of a cyber breach.
Emotional damage.
It's critical to stay ahead of the curve and proactively protect sensitive information. So that's how GRC comes into play. Implementing strong GRC measures helps organizations mitigate the risk posed by hackers. These practices help establish clear governance structures, identify and manage risk proactively, and ensure compliance with regulations. By integrating GRC with cybersecurity strategies, organizations can strengthen their overall security posture and minimize vulnerabilities hackers can exploit. Imagine a financial institution that's facing a sophisticated hacking attempt to steal customer data. Thanks to a comprehensive GRC framework, the organization was able to detect and thwart the attack before any data was lost. That example highlights the significant role that GRC plays within cybersecurity. Understanding how hackers think also helps GRC analysts develop proactive measures to protect their valuable assets. By aligning governance, risk management, and compliance measures with cybersecurity practices, organizations can proactively defend against cyber threats. It's about building a strong defense from the ground up, not just reacting to attacks. I don't know, did this video make you rethink the power of GRC? And let's be honest, not everything has to be crazy hacker super cyber. GRC analysts can make a lucrative career for themselves and move into more technical things as they see fit. GRC is a great way for beginners to get into cybersecurity without a technical background. We can all build a stronger digital world together. Link in the comments for more information about becoming a GRC analyst.